Greetings, YouTube, all my subscribers, anybody that's watching this video. For those of y'all that don't know, last Sunday, which I don't even have the date, should have been better prepared, but last Sunday, an American rapper by the name of Nipsey Hussle was gunned down in front of his marathon clothing store by the name of Nipsey Hussle. And it's very sad for the community, man. Just when I say community, I mean just the community of people, man. Just real human beings. Because Nipsey Hussle was definitely that. He was definitely a real human being. Out here, chasing his dream and also doing his best to educate others, on financial literacy. That's how I got into the Nipsey Hussle. I think that's how I was first introduced to his music. It wasn't even about the songs that he was making at the time. I think I stumbled upon an interview, and I'm gonna put it in the description box so you can see what I'm talking about. But I stumbled upon an interview that he done back in like 2006, where he was asked by an interviewer why he didn't have all the jewelry on a lot of the rappers that was there. It was like they were at like a hip hop business summit, and he answered the question by saying, because those types of things are liabilities. And it stuck with me because I hadn't heard a hip hop artist say that. I've read books by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, things like that. That's where I first heard liabilities and assets and things of that nature. So to hear him say it, I would just instantly just start watching all his interviews. Anytime I would see something with Nipsey Hussle, I would watch it. And to be honest with you, all of his interviews had to do with entrepreneurship and wealth and things of that nature. Things that I'm very interested in learning. So then I started listening to his music. So I mean, the truth about Nipsey Hussle is, yes, he was a rapper, but at the end of the day, the man had a lot to say, had a lot of knowledge to give. He actually opened up a few businesses, owned like a plaza in Crenshaw in LA, California. Crenshaw, corner of Crenshaw and Swanson, I believe. Slauson, yeah. Slauson and Crenshaw. And he hired a lot of people from the community. Helped a lot of people who, had been to prison, felons and all kinds of things. Very positive things. And it's just sad to see, a young man like Nipsey Hussle died the way he died. I mean, but I think that one thing we can all do, especially if we are fans of Nipsey, we should just go out here and do what it was he said do the things that he was trying to teach us to do, and that's to be entrepreneurs and to have wealth and to build up our own communities. I think if it's anything that I've learned from Nipsey Hussle, I think that that would be it. I think that's number one, that he always talked about all the time. And I'm already, like I said, that's what this channel is dedicated to. So, he's been an inspiration to me, and I'm pretty sure he's been an inspiration to others, thousands, maybe even millions around the world. So, I just wanted to say, rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, and send my condolences out to his family. And, and just let you know, I'm not going to let the spirit of Nipsey Hussle die. I'm going to let it live through me, and through my son, because he talked about a lot of things that were very relevant to the community, very relevant, period, to life. So it is what it is, man. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, if you didn't know who Nipsey Hussle was, you'll take the time out to see. And yeah, it's a real big loss for the black community. But yeah, we got to keep going and not let a person's words and dreams, go in vain. Well, I'm Polo, man, and thanks for watching. Peace.